I created this slide deck, Instagram post, marketing email flyer, and even this interactive calculator using Claude Design. And once I had my brand set up, all of these were made from just a single prompt. Before this, the easiest way to create on-brand assets for your business was to use something like Canva. But the problem is you still have to write the content, find the images, choose the templates, and manually put everything together yourself. Claude Design does all of that for you, and it also solves the biggest problem with AI generated assets. Until now, most AI designs looked generic and had nothing to do with your actual brand. But because Claude is working from a complete design system, everything it creates uses your colors, fonts, logo, imagery, and overall style. And you're not stuck with whatever it gives you. You can prompt Claude to change anything or manually edit the text and design yourself. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to build your brand system inside Claude and then use it to create almost any marketing asset your business needs. Let me show you. So the first step is to get Claude if you don't have it already, and you can just download it for Mac or Windows and just install it. It takes a few seconds. Now, in order to use Claude Design, which is the tool we'll be using, you do need a paid plan, but it's just $20 a month, and this is the only paid tool you need to do any of this. So after you install Claude, the next thing we're gonna do is create your design system. And all this is specific instructions for Claude for how to design things, how to lay things out, your colors, your templates, your logos, just spacing, typography, everything. It's called a style guide or a brand kit. A lot of professional design firms will build this, and Claude is going to build this for you. And that's what's going to allow it to make incredibly consistent designs that are always on brand and always professionally designed, like it was made by a professional developer. And we're going to build this with literally nothing but your logo and your website in one prompt. And this is the easiest way I found how to do this, because a lot of creators out there are overcomplicating this to the max. So to do this, just open up Claude and just paste in my prompt, and you can grab my prompt for free down below. There's no school community or nothing. And just replace my website with your website right here. And so of course I'm putting my website here. And all you need to do then is drag in your logo and just hit go. And what's going to happen now is it's going to create the design.md file. It's acting as a senior brand designer, and it's going to make all the design decisions for you. You don't have to do a thing. And then it's going to come back in a few seconds with the file we're going to need to then build our design system. And once it's done, you're going to get a preview of what it created here, and all we need to do is download it. Now we're ready to finish the last step in creating the design system. Just hit design down here and then go to design systems. Then go to create design system, create here, and you can just name your design system. And then all you need to do here is drag in your design system and drag in your logo once again, and any other assets you want as well that you can use if you want, anything else you want to give it, and then just hit continue to generation. And just hit generate, and it'll take about 5 minutes, and then your entire design system is going to be done. Okay, so that took about 5 minutes, and now we have our complete design system ready to go. And this looks like a professional design firm created it, and you can see mock-ups of the kinds of assets that you can create. So it really has a lot of examples and everything, and this is what it's going to leverage to create really professional designs for you, as I said. And now you can tweak anything if you want. You can just give it more instructions and you can tweak it, but to me this looks pretty damn good. So we only need to do that once, and now anything we create is always going to be on brand and professional. So I'm going to give you a number of options and show you how fast you can create completely different assets. Let's start with a pitch deck. So I could say something like go to solopreneurtools.io/partnerships, and this is just like my partnerships page where I work with software companies where they can reach out to me for partnerships. And basically I want to create a pitch deck with the information that is provided there. And I'm choosing my design system. Everything's good to go there, and just hit go. And then it's going to get working on everything here. It's going to read my page and start designing this deck for me right away. And what's impressive is, unlike Canva, Canva, it's going to do all the content and the design for me without me doing anything. And then all I need to do is tweak it. You're not messing around with templates and figuring out where the layout is and how you're going to do all this content and whatnot. Now, you could give it very specific instructions if you prefer, and you can say slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and give it all the instructions. But if you want to do it fast, just give it some source material, a website, any documents you have, and ask it to create something, and it's going to create it, and you're going to see in a moment. And now it's done technically, but you'll see it's now QAing its own work. You can see it's like, oh, fixing this slide, fixing that, making sure the padding is correct, everything is consistent. So it's done the job, and now it's doing its quality assurance pass based on our style guide to make sure that this is extremely polished. And so you can see it fixing things, and then it'll run another QA check. But as it stands, you can see the content is amazing. It starts with the real numbers and the return on investment that I've created for our partners, and then gets into how I do what I do, and then about me here, and then the services I offer and the options, and then has a call to action, my email, and request a rate card. So this is amazing. This is perfect. Like, this is how I would structure this deck too, and I didn't have to do any of the content. And while it's doing that, you notice it says here, the founder portrait on the Y is empty, drop in the image. And so we'll wait till it finishes all the work, and then I'm gonna drop in that image for them because I didn't provide it with any images. So it's suggesting I put an image in there. You know what, let's just do it right now. Boom, just like that, done. So now we're done, and there's two ways to make changes. First, you can just tell Claude whatever you like, and it will make the changes for you. So say, for example, add a photo of me to the first title page. Like, let's just say, for example, you wanted that. I don't know, I'm just gonna pick a photo here. Obviously pick a better photo, but just to give you an example. And it's done. And obviously this photo doesn't make sense for this content, but I just wanted to show you, you could just tell it what you want and it's gonna do it. Or if you want, you can actually just hit the edit pencil and you can just edit anything you like. You can just delete items, drag things in, whatever you want. So if you want to make precision edits, you can make it yourself, or you can just ask Claude to do it. And that's what makes this so much better than any other AI generated slop, because AI sometimes is notoriously bad for doing things with text in images sometimes, but here you can edit everything and you can get it as precise as you want without re-prompting and having it regenerate the thing again. And it's like a slot machine. Maybe it gets it right this time, but then it screws up something else. So here it's going to be ultra consistent, and you can edit it two different ways. And then when you're ready, you can just export it as a PDF, PowerPoint, Google Sheets, whatever you'd like. And we just created this, but now I want to show you how easy it is to create any other assets you want. So let's say we now want to create an HTML email to my audience to send this out to them. All I need to say is now turn this into a polished HTML email. And this step is optional, but if you hit slash, you can actually choose templates. It's optional. So you just hit slash and do it. And you can see I didn't do it the first time and it worked perfectly fine, but I'll do it this time just to show you. And just hit send. And now it's going to take all the content we already have and it's going to make it into a polished HTML email for me. And just like that, we have a complete HTML email that's on brand, uses the same content, beautifully designed, makes perfect sense. And again, we can just edit it ourselves or ask Claude to make any changes, but let's keep going. Now let's do a flyer. So create a one-page flyer from the same information. Again, you could do slash and you can see that there is a flyer template if you want to use it. And when I say template, it's like a special instruction set for Claude, but Claude doesn't need it because it infers what you mean just by you saying it. But we just created our slide deck and we just created the email, and now we're going to make a flyer out of it in seconds. Imagine having to do each of these assets in Canva, you know, kind of design this out, or in the email situation, having to code this, right? And so with the email, you would just hit share, and then you could zip it up as an HTML project right here, and then import it into your mailing software. But now it's working on our flyer. And a few seconds later, we have our flyer. And again, you can see how consistent it is and what it looks like right here. And it's now just running our design QA pass just to make sure that everything is consistent and according to brand. But now let's just keep going. Let's say now I want an Instagram post. So I could say something just like, hey, create a polished Instagram post for Solopreneur Digital. And you know, this time I want to give it some specific things. Here's the headline. Here's the supporting line. I want it like this. So this time I want to show an example example where I'm giving it like a very specific instruction instead of coming up with the content all itself. It's like, hey, I know this is what I want to say, make it for me. And let's just drop in this picture right here, and then we just hit send. And just like that, it's done and it looks great. But I noticed the G is overlapping with the yellow highlight and I want it to fix that. So I just say the G is overlapping with the yellow highlight, fix that. And just like that, it's fixed. I wanted to show you, if you ever find anything, that's how easy it is to tweak and fix it. And now I want to show you one final example for just why this is so much more powerful than something like Canva, because it doesn't just make designs for like decks and flyers and things like that, or Instagram posts. I already showed you it can code HTML emails, but it can even make you complete custom widgets or basically anything you could think of for your business. So let's say I wanted to create me a custom calculator that I can put on my website. So let's say I want to create this leverage calculator where people can kind of figure out how much time they're wasting in their week and then figure out how much time they could save if they automated it. So I just give them the instructions for exactly what I wanted and just hit send. Like I'm just in plain English, you can see, just describing how I want this calculator to work. Like I was telling a designer and a developer, hey, make me this custom widget, and then just give it the instructions and let it go to work. And now it's getting working on our calculator right here. And just like that, it's fully built and everything here is fully interactive, and I can change this to per month, per week, the hourly value, and this is like how much time they save by automating it and what can be automated and how much time they would save and how much money it would save them based on the value of their time. So this is super cool, and that wasn't one prompt. And of course I can work with Claude now to tweak this, and you see how it's completely on brand. And then if I want to share this, I can zip it up as a project and I can upload it to my website or embed it. Or if I didn't want to do any of that, I just want to make something quick to share, I can just go publish as an artifact. And what this is going to do is just give me a public link that I could then send out anytime I want. And then that's just a web page that anyone can access. So you don't even need to worry about hosting this or any of that technical stuff. You could just create assets that you can share on your socials. So you can use this to make any kind of custom widget you want for your business. And again, it'll be completely branded for you. And that's the real difference with Claude Design. Canva made designing things much easier compared to something like Photoshop, but you still have to write the content, decide what goes where, find the images, and put everything together yourself. Claude helps you create the content and the design at the same time. You can give it an idea, a website, a photo, or a rough instruction, and it can turn that into something that's already close to finished and completely on brand. Now, could you spend hours doing everything manually in Canva and end up with something better? Yeah, probably. But that's not really the point. As an entrepreneur, you usually don't need every asset to be perfect. You need it to be 80 to 90% good without spending hours creating it. And if Claude can get you there with 10% of the effort or save you from having to hire a designer for every little thing, that's a massive win. It's like having a designer and a content creator working together inside the same tool. And I think that's the next major shift in how entrepreneurs are going to create things. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tools that can help you run and grow your business faster. Check out these 5 tools I use to save more than 20 hours a week as a solopreneur. I'll see you in there.